ma'am and sir. My name is Maricel Solanay Manipol. I live in Romblon. I'm 33 years old. I'm married. I'm graduate in high school and undergraduate in midwifery. I have one daughter. My daughter is 15 years old. I'm here in Saudi Arabia is work in her in Saudi Arabia domestic helper. But I finished my contract in June 30, 2025. I'm back to Philippines in July 1, 2025. My work here is cleaning, washing, and take care of baby because I'm focused of baby of 2 years old. The three of daughters of my employer is big now, and my madam is cooking and me sometimes cooking and sometimes um, take care of four daughter because my madam answer is go out and I need to focus of 2 years old. I want to work in Hong Kong because a good salary and good country. I'm willing to learn to cook to Chinese food or anything. I'm I'm expert of caring of newborn baby and delivering of the high standard of my client that encourage to my client to positive and relationship and respect and trust and safety of my client. Thank you, ma'am and sir. Have a nice day.